everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star resort. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the resort location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 reviews of this resort, you can go to Advika. Its review rating is 8.4. It's the excellent category 1. You can see on the screen room reviews like room size, bed type, profile ride, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Category 5. Category 6. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this resort. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, that type of room is available on Advika.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the resort is excellent. It is to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Time in this resort is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. Here are amenities and offers available by this resort along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. To get a bit more details about this